Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome to Food with Dev. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make Vietnamese chicken thighs. Here are all the ingredients you'll need to make this delicious dish for a serving of 4. You'll need 4 pieces of chicken thigh, 4 cloves of garlic, 10 grams of ginger, half of a shallot or about 20 grams, 1 teaspoon of salt, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce, and 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. The first step to making Vietnamese chicken thigh is to cut the ingredients. With our ginger, we're going to finely mince them. The best method would be to blend it in a food processor, or you can chop them with a knife like I did. Next, you want to do the same with the shallot. Mince it as finely as you can. And lastly, the garlic. You want them in very small pieces so that they don't burn when you're cooking it. Step 2 is to prepare the chicken. To prepare the chicken, the first thing you want to do is pat it down dry. This allows the chicken to cook evenly and soak in the marinade better. We're going to pat down both sides and try to get all areas including under the skin. Next, I'm going to be cutting out the excess fat. What you don't want to do is cut the skin because that's extra flavors. You can tell the fat from the skin because the fat has a more yellow hue to it, or you can tell by feeling it out as fat is more soft and squishy. Next, I'm going to make some cuts on the meaty side of the chicken so the marinade can seep through, giving us a more complete flavor. Step 3 is to marinate the chicken. In a large mixing bowl, add in the 4 pieces of chicken thigh, the minced shallot and ginger, the minced garlic, the 1 teaspoon of salt, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce, and the 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. And optionally, you can add in the paprika for a little bit of spice. It also adds a nice color to it and a smoky flavor for the chicken when cooking. Now mix it around thoroughly. Massage the chicken and make sure you rub under the skin and in the cuts that we made earlier. If you are enjoying this video so far, please help out the channel by hitting that like button. Once you are done mixing, let the chicken soak in the marinade for about 30 minutes to an hour before cooking. The last step is to bake the chicken. You can also fry it, grill it, or put it in an air fryer. If you are putting it in the oven, preheat it to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Then lay the chicken on a baking sheet. Put it in the oven for 35 to 40 minutes. That way the chicken skin will be nice and crispy while the meat is still tender and juicy. And that's all to it. This is a super quick and easy dinner that serves 4. Most of the ingredients are already laying around in your cabinet or fridge. And the best thing is that this delicious chicken dinner costs less than $10 for 4 servings. All there's left to do is to sprinkle some cilantro if you like, and enjoy it all by yourself or with the people that you love. Again, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Now it's your turn to get cooking.